Good morning, students. How are you all? I am believing all are fine. I am also fine. Today we are discussing about successors and predecessors. Successors and predecessors. Successor means to get the successor of any number, add 1 to it. Any number. If you take, for example, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1, 7, 8, 6. This is one number. We have to convert successor. We have to add plus 1 to this number. Successor of any number equal to number plus 1. Successor of any number equal to number plus 1. I am taking one example. Find the successor of this number 24531786. Solution. Add 1 to this number 24531786 plus 1 equal to what? See there. 24531786 plus 1. Adding plus 1, it convert to 24531787. This is the concept of successor and predecessor. Predecessor means, successor means we have to add plus 1. Predecessor means we have to subtract minus 1. To get the predecessor of any number, subtract 1 from it. We have to subtract minus 1 from any number. I am taking one example. Find the predecessor of 76512348. Solution. Subtract 1 from this number. We are subtracting 76512348 minus 1. It get 76512347. 76512347. This is the concept of successors and predecessors. Successor means very simple. We have to add plus 1. Predecessor means we have to subtract minus 1. Now comparing numbers. Comparing numbers means, for example, we have to find out which is greatest number, which is the smallest number from two numbers. We know small numbers, that means 20 or 30. These two numbers, which is highest, which is smallest, we know. 30 is the highest and 20 is the smallest number. But in these two numbers are big numbers, so that we have to count digit by digit. Count here, first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. This is the 7 digits. This number is 8 digits. Which is the highest number? 8 or 7? Absolutely 8 is the highest number. So therefore 28543910. This is the 7 digit number. This is the 8 digit number. This is the 7 digit number. So this is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. This is the smallest number. So keeping sign this one. Next, compare same example to compare 53684295 and 53686512. Count digits one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8 digit number. Next, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 digit number. This is also 8 digit number. Both are equal. We don't know how to find out. So, we have to digit by digit which is same or not, we have to find out. 5, 5 is the same number. 3, 3 is the same number. 6, 6 is the same number. 8, 8 is the same number. 4 and 6 same or different? Different. So which is the biggest? 6 is the biggest. So this number is the biggest number from this number. So we keeping sign this one. This is the comparing numbers. Next, ordering numbers. Ordering means ascending order or descending order. We have to find out ascending order numbers or descending order numbers. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest. Arranging the number from smallest to greatest. Descending order means arranging the number from greatest to smallest. Arranging the number greatest to smallest. I am taking one example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order to descending order. Here some numbers given. First we have to count digit by digit, which is the great, which is the small. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number is 8 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 digit number. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8 digit number. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That number also 8 digit number. All numbers are in 8 digit numbers. All numbers are 8 digit number. We have to start comparing from extremely left, not right, extremely left. Left numbers we have to choose which is the greatest, which is the smallest. Ascending order means what? Smallest to greatest. Descending means greatest to smallest. First we have to find out ascending order. Ascending means smallest to greatest. So which is the smallest number we have to choose? From here 5 and 3, 6, 8, which is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So first take this number. Now 5, 6, 8, which is the smallest? 5 is the smallest. So now take here. Next 6 and 8, which is the smallest? 6. 6 take. Next, which is the smallest? 8. 8. This is the ascending order. Next, descending order means greatest to smallest. We have to choose which is the greatest number. 5, 3, 6, 8. Which is the greatest number? 8. So first put 8 digit numbers. Next, which is the greatest? 6. Next 6. Next, which is the greatest? 5. 5. Next 3. This is the ascending order and descending order. This is the comparing numbers. Okay, children, I am giving homework. Please take homework. Take homework. Write the successors and predecessors of the following. Successor means adding 1. Predecessor means minus 1. Do the sums. Compare the numbers using signs greater than, less than, smallest. First find out digits, counting digits. How many digits? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number is 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 digit. 7 digit, 8 digit. Which is the biggest? 8 is the biggest. So write 8 number, 8 digit number and 7 digit number. Next, do the sums. Next, write the following numbers ascending and descending order. First, count digits, all digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. All are the 6 digit numbers. So we have to find out from left. Left means here. First 7, 4, 9, 3. Which is the smallest number? Ascending means smallest to greatest, no? So which is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. First the 3 digit number. Next 4. Next 4. Next 7. Next 9. This is the ascending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So big numbers to smallest. Here big number 9. From starting 9. 9. Next 7. Next 4. Next 3. This is the ascending and descending order. Do these all sums. Thank you, children.